Hey everybody, welcome to the Chocolate Therapist Kitchen Club. I'm Julie. Today we're going to be making frozen blended hot chocolate, which is not a complicated process, but the reason I decided to do it is because maybe you've never actually thought about making frozen hot chocolate. And with the summertime coming up, what if you have too much hot chocolate sitting in your cupboard? Right now, I'm going to help you solve that problem. Now this is exactly what we do in our store. We make this frozen blended hot chocolate all summer. People love it. And we have 3 different kinds of hot chocolate, which I'm going to be showing you today, as well as everything that you need to get the job done. Now the first one is cocoa and fuego. This has a little bit of chili pepper in it, so this is for these people that like the spicy one. We have black magic, which is very dark. So if you like dark chocolate, you're going to like this one. And then the last one is Colorado cocoa. This is the closest to like a gourmet milk chocolate hot cocoa. I'm going to be using this today because I like this one for frozen blended hot chocolate. This one gets a little dark. The milk actually makes it a little bit darker. I'm not a big fan of the spice, but people that love it love spice. So we are going to be using 2 heaping tablespoons of Colorado hot cocoa. Also, you need a cup, some kind of a cup. I've got this 16-ounce cup right here, a blender. Today I'll be using oat milk because I want to make it dairy-free. I have some ice to put in the cup and the cover for the blender. That's all you really need. Now this is, again, a super easy process, but let's just go ahead and do it anyways. Why? Because it's fun and I want to have some frozen blended hot chocolate when I'm done. Now the first thing you do is you take your cup, and it doesn't matter what size cup you have. All right, we're going to make it work with every size cup. The key is how much ice to put in whatever size cup you have. What we're going to do is fill it almost to the top, maybe about 1 inch from the tippy top. Just going to get cut to the chase here and dump all this ice in here. Almost to the top, right? Not all the way to the top. See where it is right there? Okay? You don't want it all the way to the top because otherwise it's going to get too thick and will pour out easily. Then you take your milk, and I'm using oat milk. Shake it up really well if you're using a non-dairy milk. It tastes a lot better. And you put the milk in the cup, again, almost to the top, about a 1/4 inch from the top. You want a little bit of room so that when you add the cocoa, it doesn't spill over the cup. This goes in the blender. I've already measured out 2 heaping tablespoons of our Colorado hot chocolate mix, but we're making frozen blended, not to worry, will not be hot. That's all there is to it. Put it in there, blend it on high for a couple seconds. All right, so this has been blending for a couple of minutes. This is amazing frozen hot chocolate. You just pour it into the cup. But one thing I'm going to do right now, you may not have thought about doing before, but this is kind of interesting if you want to make it a little healthier. I'm going to add some organic protein powder. I got mine on Amazon. It's vegan, so it makes it a little better. And I'm also going to put in a little scoop of collagen. This is just because I want to feel good about drinking my hot chocolate. It makes it kind of like a healthy smoothie, this frozen hot chocolate. So all of those goodies in, again, just a scoop, whatever you're comfortable with. There's no rules, there's no method to the madness. Put the cover back on, blend it again for a couple minutes. And there you have it, frozen hot chocolate. Now, if you've done it properly, it's going to pour out really easily. If it doesn't pour out like this, you put too much ice in, so just cut back on the ice next time. Frozen hot chocolate. You can buy all of these frozen hot chocolate mixes, or hot chocolate mixes if it's wintertime, at thechocolathetherapist.com. Links are below, as well as the vegan protein powder that I used. And I just got this collagen protein powder at Target, so very easy. I used oat milk so that it would be vegan, but you can also use coconut milk, regular milk, whatever kind of milk you want. And there you have it. Thanks for watching Chocolate Therapist TV today. Super easy, fun. Now go make your own frozen hot chocolate.